Hey guys, Bratty Biker here. Hope you're all doing well. I hope this lockdown is treating you all well too. Welcome to the channel. So previously I made a video on how to change your handlebar and your mirrors on your Yamaha RX based motorcycle like a RXG or RX100, RX135, RXZ to a different one like an aftermarket handlebar or anything. And in my case, I chose the Suzuki Shogun's handlebar and mirrors. And actually, this video originally was supposed to be a normal video, not a time lapse or a fast motion like you see right now, where I've actually spoken a lot about how this new handlebar and the mirrors feel. But unfortunately, the camera decided it's a good time to automatically switch to a fast motion or a time lapse mode, unfortunately. So I'm just doing a voiceover right now. So, I just wanted to tell you how good this feels. But unfortunately, both of these are not easily available. It's not like you guys can go and get an original ones that easily. The manufacturing of these things have been stopped long ago. But anyways, thanks to a dear friend of mine, Mr. Darshan. He's from Mumbai. He sent me an original handlebar because he was not using it. And thanks to Mr. Girish for selling this Autobird Shogun mirrors. Yeah, unfortunately, this is not original FIEM ones. These are from Autobird. But I got them. They look good, and they look really good, as you guys can see now. I've went back. I went forward again. But yeah, this it goes slightly out of the video coverage. But anyways, that's what it is, and I really like it. Actually, the handlebar especially, it feels a lot better. Actually, it doesn't feel as commuterish as the stock Yamaha RX handlebar. And the mirrors also, they offer so much better field of vision at the back, especially compared to the round ones, because they are very limited in the kind of field of view that they offer the behind. So I really like that. There are drawbacks to this rectangular thing. One thing is that at high speeds, beyond 60-70 kilometers per hour, the wind is so strong that it is able to move this mirrors towards me. So all I can see is the entire left or the right lane. So the mirrors, they don't stay in the same position at high speeds. This is a serious drawback because this means that I need to constantly adjust this mirrors to keep showing what's behind me instead of what's beside me. So that's a negative thing, and I'm trying to understand on how do I tighten it or how do I lock it into position, but unfortunately I'm not able to get any leads on that. So yeah, there is no way out of that. But the handlebar, man, it just feels so much better. It has completely changed the way that the motorcycle feels, and yeah, I think that's about it, guys, really. And unfortunately, the bike has developed a little bit of issues, especially on the chain sprocket side of things. And yes, when I was recording, the chain slipped and there was a lot of noise again due to this camera going berserk on me. So I was not able to record it properly and show it to you guys. I apologize for that. But anyways, the chain sprockets are on it or their way out, so I have to replace them. I'm looking at my alternatives because an expert told me that 135 setup on an RXG is not very good. It will kill the initial of the motorcycle. So I'm researching on the kind of sprocketing setup that I can use both on the front and the back to achieve good acceleration, good cruising ability. And top speed is not important for me because I'm a city rider mostly. I very rarely I take it out to the highways. So yes, acceleration is a key thing. Especially inside the city, when you want to overtake slow moving traffic, acceleration is the key. Two strokes are good at it naturally, but having a good sprocketing is also a great thing. So yes, sprockets is on their way out and new sprockets are on their way in. If I'm not able to find any leads, I'll just wave the white flag and just use an RX100 or a 135 setup, chain sprocket setup. But anyways, I'll just see what are my alternatives or what are my options regarding this thing. So if you guys are able to spot a Shogun handlebar and a Shogun mirrors, I definitely suggest you to upgrade to it because it just transforms the way that the motorcycle feels in your hand. And yes, I feel that the vibrations, especially on the handlebar, has reduced quite a bit because this Shogun handlebar feels a little heavier than the RX handle. Of course, I have not exactly measured it with a proper weight, but this is what I feel. The Shogun handlebar feels a little heavier than the RX handlebar. So I think this extra weight is also able to minimize the kind of vibrations that will go onto the handlebar. So that's a great thing, of course. Mirrors, Shogun mirrors are very difficult to find, so you guys can search for KB100 mirrors or RXZ's mirrors, easily available. Same Autobird. You don't need to spend a bomb on Alpha Toyo ones. You guys can just get normal Autobird ones that are very useful. So I'm planning to take a little break from uploading videos on YouTube because professionally I'm having a lot of work for the next couple of days. Meanwhile, I've also planned on something special for my motorcycle which could also help you guys. So that video will be coming soon. Just hold on for a while. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys found this useful. If so, please do leave a like below. Please do comment down your video suggestions and video requests. I shall put in my best efforts to get it done for you guys. And if you like this sort of content, please do consider subscribing to the channel. As always, keep the blue smoke alive. Bratty Biker signing off. Have a wonderful day.